Thanks for joining our webinar today. I'm Julia, your host, and today together we will discuss how to attract more students for your courses. As we are in quite different time zones, we will start now, and I will do recording for those people who will not be able to join the webinar now. You can check it later on our YouTube, and if you have any questions, you can always reach me out and we can discuss together. So let's start. For students for your online course. The first thing that we should discuss are the three main channels available to you that you can use. We have here owned media, paid media, and earned media. Now let's see what is the main difference between them. But before that, let me quote Jessica Terzakis here. She says, for your course not to be a waste of time, you will need to do two things at once: build the course and build your audience. So if you have even the super useful course, but you don't have your audience, everything will be in vain. Now let's see how to build your audience. So the first part, we will speak about owned media and how you can use owned media. Owned media is actually the channels that you control. They allow you to directly connect with your audience and provide them some valuable content. We have here landing pages, email marketing, blog pages, and social profiles. Let's start from landing pages. So your landing pages are a way to attract students. What we should consider here: course title and description, optimized for SEO. SEO is super important for your course promotion. Then we have detailed information about your course. Testimonials, they're super important to have testimonials because people trust other users. They value their feedback, and they always check it. And clear call to actions. So everything must be clear on your website so that people can easily navigate. They can see what is the first step, what is coming next. So for that reason, you should have clear call to actions. Everything is clear here. We are moving forward. So use lead magnets. What are actually lead magnets? E-guides can be worksheets, tests, templates. So students come, land on your page, let's say a blog page or course page. You provide them some valuable information. They provide you their email addresses. So you're exchanging, let's say, and you already collect their email addresses and they become potential leads for you. Now, let's speak about how to use that leads afterwards. So we're speaking about email marketing campaigns. How you can build your email list. We have here an important point, like never ever buy ready-made email lists, because your emails in the end will end up in spam or people will just ignore it. So to use your resources and your time efficiently, you should have organically created email lists. Email list of people who are actually interested in your products or everything that you offer them, and they would like to receive emails from you. What you can do: give people incentives to sign up, add pop-up to your website. You can offer even mini courses or personalized quizzes so that they can also provide their email addresses instead of the information that you provide them. We actually have here a good template for planning your email marketing campaigns. I guess you can, again, do a quick screenshot here and use this template to plan your upcoming campaigns. If the screenshot is ready, I'm moving forward. So always remember to keep right balance: 80% engaging, helpful content, 20% promotions. If your emails are mainly promotions, they will end up again in spam or people will just ignore it. Now let's speak about gaining a following on social media. But I have here an important point for you. Always remember that engagement is more important than number of followers. You can have actually a huge amount of followers, But if you have low engagement, you will have no results. So having a number of followers will not work. You should provide your high engagement. You can put, for example, teaser style content. You can put behind the scenes because fun content is also required. You can use YouTube channel, both the videos you can post or shorts. Shorts will also provide you good engagement. And the important thing, provide live question and answer sessions, because it's important to keep in touch with your audience to see what problems they have, what feedback they give you. So keeping in touch with your student is always important. So organizing live question and answer sessions is important at least once a month. Remember it. And always remember that consistency is key. If you want to reach something, you should keep it consistent. That's it. Now, besides the question and answer sessions, you can also host different webinars and live events, live sessions for your students or your future students. So you can provide free webinars. You can give them some discounts for attending the webinar. It's also a good way to keep your engagement high. Now, let's see how you can build an audience via earned media. So earned media includes actually the publicity gains through promotional efforts rather than paid advertising. So here you don't need to have financial investment. Here, word of mouth, mentions, shares, reviews, they work here. You can use your social media for engagement. For example, you can encourage your students and followers to share their experiences or their success stories on social media. And you can also engage in conversations and discussions on social platforms, especially in relevant groups and forums. So you should find your niche and already continue your working process there. And one interesting, let's say, method here comes collaboration. So you can collaborate with other creators. You can exchange with your audience. You can share your ideas together, and you can share, by the way, content with creators within your niche. It's important, so that make sure you have the same audience. And ask your network to promote your courses. This is also a key point here. I guess if you have good relations with your network, you can easily organize this part. I have already mentioned testimonials, but let's look through it one more time. So encourage satisfied students to leave reviews on your course platform, because we already know that it's super important. And feature student testimonials and success stories on your website and social media, so that your future, let's say, customers or students can also check it and make sure that people already using the platform don't have any problems with you, or they are smoothly having their working processes with your product. Now, let's move from online format to offline a bit and mention here that you can also speak on stages. So you can organize some events, or you can find some events, again, related to your topic, participate. The next thing important, coming back to our online format, is creating sales funnel. So sales funnel is actually super important to have smooth sales process. So you can consider the funnel stages: awareness, interest, decision, and action. You can, again, do a screenshot here. We can have actually another meeting about sales funnel separately, because we can have a lot of talk here. So if you're interested, just let me know. We can speak about sales funnel separately. Now let's see how to build your audience via paid media. So here we have mainly advertising. So we have social media advertising, we have search engine advertising, for example, Google Ads, and affiliate marketing. Actually, affiliate marketing is currently widely spread, and I guess it's a good way to promote your courses or your products. So you can surely consider this one. So everything that I already mentioned, all the hacks, all the tricks that I mentioned, you can also find within the tools of Uteach. So if you're interested in creating your courses or to promote and sell your courses already, you can also consider our platform. And I want to mention that everyone who comes to our platform from this webinar or from this recording, they will get 10% discount for their subscription, and also consultation with me totally for free. So I hope the information was useful for you. And if you have any other questions that you would like to discuss with me, or if you need some individual consultation related to your courses already or your product, you can easily just write down below in the comment section, or you can reach me out. I will leave my email there. Thanks, everyone. Hope to see you next time.